If you've archived a report and now realise that you want to get it back again, you can use the Unarchive Report option. So when something's archived, it isn't deleted, it's just kind of hidden from view. To unarchive the report, first of all we need to find it, and then we'll need to use the Unarchive Report option to bring it back to an active state. So first of all, let's navigate to the job containing the report that we've archived. Tap the View button on the jobs list to drill into the job. And because we've archived a report within this job, we'll see this option which says Show Archive Reports. If you tap this checkbox, you'll see a second report has now appeared, and it's showing red because it's been archived. So we can differentiate between active reports, which are black, and archive reports, which are red. So we'll drill into the archive report, and then you'll see we've got this Edit Report option. If you tap that, it's going to open the side menu here. You can then tap these three dots and then unarchive the report. The report has now turned black to indicate that it's now active again. And if we navigate back up a level, back to the job reports, you'll see that both of the reports in this job, one of which was black and one of which was red before, are now black. So that's how you restore an archive report and make it an active report again, so you can see it within the job report screen.